This could be 1940, and there would be the same parents going, things are changing really fast right now. And then you could fast forward to the 60s, and parents would be going, things are changing really fast right now. And then you fast forward to the 90s. Like, there's never a time where the parent people aren't concerned about what the young people are being exposed to, but the younger people are up to speed because they don't know an other. This is just what it is. It is going to be a part of their lives, guaranteed, going forward. And as the parent, this is where you do have to get super clear on what you value, and then, really, especially now, not just impart it, but also be living it. Like, they need it modeled as much as they need it talked about. So you can't, if you say, okay, we're a family that doesn't do screens at the dinner table, it can't be just the kids, it has to be everybody. None of us grew up with this. And so this is one of those places that, as a parent, you want to slow way down and really find some clarity that's going to be moving maybe daily. And you can say, right now this is what I'm saying, this is my boundary, we're going to revisit this in a week, a month, a year, and we'll reassess based on your development. But it's my job to keep you safe, and I promise you, when you're older, you can sit on the screen as much as you want, but right now, in order to help you become the healthiest version of yourself, this is what we're choosing. Getting in the bigger conversations, and even bigger than just like the technology, like getting it even further back to like, what feels right for you? Because all these people out there are doing what they're doing, but that doesn't mean that's what's right for you. And that's all you're going to be able to walk into the world with when I'm not around. So that's what I'm going to help you figure out as we get through these years. They need the guidance, because as much as we don't even know where this is all going, they certainly don't either. And what I like is both putting the boundaries and being really clear and holding them, but also saying, and you know what, I get it. There's a part of you that wishes you could just do whatever you want. It's hard to have a parent telling you what to do all the time. I get it. So when you're older, you're going to make all those choices for you, and that's going to be so fun. You could be on your screen all night ordering pizza and eating it at 3 o'clock in the morning, and nobody's going to tell you not to do it. But right now, I have to help you be healthy, so this is what we're doing. Man, it's hard to have a mom. Like, bring a little levity, but acknowledgement. Again, it does not mean you're doing anything different, but it offers a level of, like, I hear you and I know you're a person connection that I know young people value more than we give them credit for. There's a woman I just interviewed recently. Her name is Janelle Burley Hoffman. When her son turned 13, I think he's 18 now, he wanted an iPhone. And so he was getting one for Christmas, but along with the iPhone came a contract that she and her partner, her husband, had written with 18 points, and you can read it, and she's done a TED Talk about it, that really spell out like the agreement, and he had to sign it, and it was, I think it's brilliant, and it was really based on what they value, and it imparted their values as well. And so you might go check that out. What she said was, she put this out and like a friend shared it, and then Good Morning America was in her kitchen the next day. Parents are looking for this kind of stuff. Like, this is important.